Work at SPR City rises before the sun. Workers stream in day after day to leave their mark in the creation of SPR City. Market of India, Asia's second largest wholesale market, India's first. The only site in Tamil Nadu where 23 excavators work parallelly round the clock. Universal School with 11 campuses in India finds its 12th campus at SPR City. Origine Villas, luxury at its best, being sculpted with artistic finesse. "45 floors in the making, tallest in Chennai." "400 trucks move in and out every night."